Okay, today I'm going to show you the crank removal tool from Amazon. I found this. I couldn't find the Shimano one, so I decided to give this one a try. And honestly, I quite like it. So if you have Shimano cranks, you know you need a special key to get inside here. This one is, I believe, aluminum. Has a little magnet here, which is a nice touch. This, basically you put a 6mm Allen key inside there. Now I can fit this in. Now I'm good. I can use now a regular key to undo this bolt here. So again, super simple to use. I can finish unscrewing it by hand. There it is. Fits all the way through. This tool is very cheap from Amazon. If you can't find the Shimano one, I definitely suggest this. I'll have it in the link down below. And let's install it back on. All I have to do is obviously the same thing. Now I can tighten it. Definitely a great little tool to have in your toolbox whenever you need to remove your cranks. And this is a nice metal, cool color. Doesn't seem like it's going to break too easily. I believe the Shimano one is plastic, so it's nice to have an aluminum piece. And so far it's been working very well, and even on my other set of cranks, this was very stubborn and this took it out no problem.